Good morning. It is currently day... Oh my god, is it only day 3? I think it's only day 3 of quarantine. I woke up like 3 hours ago and just laid in bed. But I am gonna start off my, I guess it's not even morning anymore. My day started though, and I'm gonna go make a smoothie bowl. And you're coming with me. So let's do it. Harry is going to be cooking with us today. It's Harry Styles! Oh my god! It's Harry Styles! Ah! Oh, Harry. Harry. Ooh. Jude, your cheek feels so soft. Do you know that that's what makes you beautiful?
Why do you have Ken?
Ken? Did you just call me Ken? Styles. This is Harry Styles.
Why do you love him?
What do you mean? What do you even... Ew, don't give him your nasty spoon. Welcome to the kitchen. Jude's gonna go do his homework because he still has school.
Professor Snape.
This is all the fruit we're gonna put on top. Where's the granola? Some granola and some honey. Delicious. Oh, wait, there's a sticker. Okay. We also have bananas, but those didn't need to be washed. Put the strawberries first. Delicious. How do you properly cut a kiwi? Beautiful. Let's cut a banana. You're doing what goes on top first, so then your smoothie bowl doesn't melt. So we got our strawberries, kiwi, banana, and we have our blueberries and raspberries that are already washed. This is all that's going in there. The packets, bananas, coconut yogurt, orange juice. It's time to use the blender. The Cuisinart blender. Next thing we're going to do is take this, the packet, cut off the top, just to break it into the blender. Oh, there we go. The camera ran out of space, so kept doing it. This doesn't look pretty like it does on Instagram videos. It's hard. It's really hard. This is honestly not just fun and games like I thought it would be. It's good. I honestly think I should have more. Let's go. It's doing nothing. I give up. I'm blending this thing. We've got a visit from P. Come here. Good girl. This is Paisley. Paisley. She's the best. So I'm using this bare naked granola. I'm going to pour some into the bottom of the bowl. And then we're going to take our lovely smoothie. I wonder if I can... Oh yeah, that's cool. That worked. Mix that all around. Smooth it out. Gonna smooth that out. A little bit of granola on the top. And then, here comes the artistry.
And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci,
Final touch that every smoothie bowl needs: a little bit of honey.
Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada.
These look I'm sorry. Like, it was not the most fun. It was hard to blend. But like, the end result, I think it paid off. This looks so good. Kenna! They're ready! You know. Aww. Smoothie bowls. Hang on. So I wasn't recording this whole time. And I missed my first try of the smoothie bowl. And you missed Harry for a little bit. He's sitting now. And basically, you know, it took me a long time to get here. I had to embrace my failures and embrace my setbacks, but I shook that blender around and it blended. And the end result is this delicious and slightly runny smoothie.
It's good though.
I encourage everybody to try and make one while in quarantine. We hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stream Fine Line on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and every other available streaming service. And that was a terrible British accent. Alright, see y'all in July. Bye. Also, side note, I was using this piece of pumice stone from the fireplace as my tripod. Like and subscribe!